Chutney is like that good friend that you need to talk to them every day. But they're silent, yet they enhance your life. The famous chutney of all times is making chutney with tomato. And there are hundreds of combinations. To make this chutney, I'm going to use cumin seeds and black sesame seeds, reduce the flame. In this, add garlic, green chili, and add some onion. Add some salt. Chutneys are not just a taste partner, but they also add good nutrition. So make variety of chutneys and each one should add to some nutritive values. Here, add the tomatoes. When the tomatoes are cooked, toss once, transfer it into a blender, add little bit of jaggery. You know what's next? Burr, burr, burr. Upma is generally made with semolina, but this is the fat semolina rava. And we are partnering it with semia. Semia is like that friend who comes and sits on your bike, and only after 20 minutes of traveling, he'll ask where you're going. That kind of friend who is always there to enhance your life. This is the dalia, the fat rava. I just soaked it in the water for a few minutes. Now, when the oil is hot, add some red chili, mustard, some cumin seeds. Now, add chana dal, peanut. You want these peanuts to be cooked. Only when they are fried in the oil, you get that sweetness. A lot of people make upma, but the peanuts are not fried properly. Then you lose that awesome touch for your upma. Add urad dal. A lot of people think upma is full of starch, but the right way to make it, enhance the protein, everything. See the amount of dal I have added and the amount of peanuts. That is where you get the protein from. Only when the peanuts are fried, add some chopped green chili, some chopped ginger, and I use lot of curry leaves to enhance that aroma. Chuck, chuck, chuck. In this, add some slice of onion, and when the onions are slightly sauteed, add another vegetable. And upma is always best when you add vegetables. And here I'm adding some sweet corn. And add 3 times amount of water what semolina and semia combined. Add salt to taste. Bring this to a nice boil. Add the fat semolina and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Only then we're going to add the semia. Add the semolina. Just make sure, add it and keep mixing it. That's it. So now, after 4 or 5 minutes, this will be perfectly ready. So make sure, mix it well, reduce the flame and let it cook for a few minutes. The tomato chutney doesn't have to be always red. Here, the black sesame seeds has its own benefits. With little bit of jaggery, it is wow. Always, upma is hated by many, but when you make variations, they will just love it. Kids love when you add semia because it reminds them of noodles. And dalia, absolutely nice with the chutney. Wow. Make this chutney, eat it with idli, dosa, chapati, anything. This chutney will be awesome. Enjoy every meal as if it's the last one. That's when it's absolutely boomba uma. Wow. This chutney is just out of the world. Ah.